it is rather unfortunate that a person at this juncture, when the country is preparing for the general election of Parliament, the Chief Election Commission has no constitutional authority to embarrass or comment upon his own colleagues, because they are all equal. That the President is the appointing authority and President is the removing authority. Who is the lawyer who can say to the contrary? If anybody converses to the contrary, he is ignorant of law. So the President is the appointing authority and President is the removing authority under the Constitution.